Have you ever wondered how to get prints just like these behind me? Well, we're going to dive deep into the DTF transfer printing world. Let's go. Hey guys, myself and my partner have started this channel so we can share our business journey, lifestyle and valuable insights to kickstart your own small business venture. So what is DTF? DTF stands for direct to film. It allows you to put vibrant colors and designs onto a film where you can put this on any sort of material, just like these. So you've got tote bags over here, you've got t-shirts over there. Whether the t-shirt is cotton, polyester, doesn't matter, you can actually put them on. But how does it work? Keep watching to find out. The beauty of having a DTF transfer is you can iron it all at home. Just place this on any sort of material and iron it on. There's no weeding involved, which makes it a beauty. Now let's uncover the magic that's behind the scenes. One of the designs. Right now the printer is printing one of our orders that we have come through.
We'll show you the process as we go. This is where all the magic happens.
So now the print is done, and this is what happens when you forget to do your daily maintenance. Your colors turn out way off. If you want to see the original, give me a second. And that's exactly what it's meant to look like. And as well, my partner has designed this. Good job, babe. So if you think this video was helpful, smash that like button. And if you think we need a part 2, more explanation about maybe the software, leave a comment below. Thank you guys. Let's go.